Welcome to Had6 channel. In this video, we will look into division. 10 nouns with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Number 1. Detachment. Which means a group of troops, aircraft, or ships sent away on a separate mission. Detachment. For example, a detachment of Marines. Number 2. Alienation. Which means the state or experience of being alienated. Alienation. For example, she shared my deep sense of alienation from our environment. Number 3. Estrangement. Which means the fact of no longer being on friendly terms or part of a social group. Estrangement. For example, the growing estrangement of the police from their communities. Number 4. Split. Which means a schism. Split. For example, the accusations caused a split in the party. Number 5. Rupture. Which means a breach of a harmonious relationship. Rupture. For example, the rupture was due more to personal than to intellectual differences. Number 6. Discord. Which means disagreement between people. Discord. For example, a prosperous family who showed no signs of discord. Number 7. Disunity. Which means disagreement and conflict within a group. Disunity. For example, there was disunity within the administration. Number 8. Chasm. Which means a profound difference between people, viewpoints, feelings, etc. Chasm. For example, a chasm between theory and practice. Can you think of other examples? Please share them in the comment section below. Furthermore, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.